This tutorial is for 4th grade, Module 3, Lesson 5. In this lesson, we're looking at the patterns that develop when we multiply numbers by multiples of 10, 100, or 1000. We start the lesson by looking at these types of problems on a place value chart, just so we have a pictorial representation. To start with, I have the basic problem of 2 times 3. I'm going to show that on the place value chart as a group of 3 that is being doubled. So 2 groups of 3. So it actually means I take 2 times 3 ones to get 6 ones. Now you can see how this problem changes. I'm taking 2 times 30. Well, 30 can be thought of as 2 times 3 tens instead of 30. So I'm going to show that on the place value chart as well. Here I have 3 tens, and I double that to get 30. So 2 times 3 tens is 6 tens, and 2 times 30 is 60. This 0 reminds me that the 6 is in the tens place, so the value of this number is 60. This pattern continues as I multiply by greater numbers. Here I have 2 times 300. Well, that is the same thing as saying 2 times 3 groups of 100. So I show my 300s, and I double that since I'm multiplying it by 2, and I can see now that I have 6 hundreds, and in standard form I now see my 2 zeros because I have 6 in the hundreds place. To multiply 2 times 3,000, I'm taking 2 times 3 thousands. So here's my 3 thousands. I'm going to double that, and I get 6 thousands. And in standard form now, I have 3 zeros to represent the thousands place. We'll keep the same process in mind as we find the products of these numbers. My first problem is 20 times 7. Well, that's the same as 2 tens times 7, which would be 14 tens, or 140. The next problem is 3 times 60, or 3 times 6 tens, which would be 18 tens, or 180. Here I have 3 times 400. 3 times 4 hundreds is the same as 12 hundreds, or 1,200. And 2 times 8 hundreds is 2 times 8 hundreds, or 16 hundreds, which we would also call 1,600. So we can use those place value patterns to help us multiply these larger numbers.